welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jackie. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave this video. So today we are going to do a organize my kids' closets and dressers and all that crap video. I always tell myself I go in the room like once a month and I freaking get down and I organize and I throw away and give stuff away, and I always tell myself, okay, now if I can just keep this way, I won't have to come in here next month and do it. Does it happen? Nope, never ever. Sienna has so much clothes thanks to one of my family members who has literally been clothing my daughter since I was pregnant with her, and I'm so thankful for her. And if she's watching this video, thank you, I love you so much. So like I was saying, yes, one of my family members has been super generous and has been giving Sienna clothes for her whole life, and that is why I have to go in there once a month and get everything situated. She literally gives me stuff like as soon as she needs it. I mean, we buy her stuff here and there that she needs, but it just seems like when she's getting to, I'm like, oh man, Sienna's growing so much. She's like, hey, I have another bag or two for you. And it's not small bags, it's like a big freaking garbage bag full of stuff. So I'm super thankful for that. But yeah, I thought I would bring you guys along. I haven't tidied up or anything. I'm gonna show you real and raw what's in there. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so the lighting is really bad in here, but here is Sienna's bed that she doesn't sleep on, so it just ends up being a bed that she piles her stuff on. This, look at this. And here is their closet. So we actually went through their toys after Christmas because they got a bunch of stuff. So now I have to tackle all of this. I'm not gonna show you guys the rest of the room because today we are organizing and cleaning. So we will stay in this corner. My youngest two share closets. Well, they share a room because that's what our living situation allows. So we just make it work. Okay, so here's all of her leggings. And here's all of her shirts. So we have all her short sleeves and long sleeves that can be put away. I forgot to mention that I also have already taken out all of her summer stuff, so shorts, tank tops, all that stuff, which is like takes up a lot of room. So I already did that. So those are all her tops. Let's move on to all her bottoms. She has some jeans in there too I need to take out. We are getting somewhere. T-shirts, sweatshirts, all up in that one. Here's all of her leggings. These have like double rolls, so there's a whole roll under here, under here, under here. Another one. And then I like to keep her little undershirts and her little biker shorts in here. There's clothes washing, so whatever's clean after that will go on top of these. Okay, we're all done. Those are books up there, toys up there that she doesn't really play with. Closet. Making my son organize that. So we are done for the day. All right, we're right here outside. We need some fresh air. We've been doing school all morning. We've been having attitudes. We've been acting up. So we're about to get down with some Nerf guns. It went over here to the in here. Find it. Sis got her little gun. Let me see what you got, sis. Whoa.
Okay, Mom. Ready? Sweating day.
Hopefully mine works.
It will.
I have a feeling it's not gonna work.
Well, I don't know if yours is gonna work. So,
Here.
you shoot with this. This,
I know, but do you have to like...
and then you reload. This.
So I have to push it back and then shoot it?
Yeah.
Try it, just to make sure.
Hi, I'm playing a gun. Shoot, 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 shoot. Play Fortnite. My brother's filling up some things. For my back.
Are you pointing them the right way?
Yes. Okay, there you go. You guys battle.
Here, you take over, Adrian.
Guys, I hear the beeping. I'm stepping. Mom, I'm not in the battle. Mom.
Again.
Let me see. Oh, I used them. You did? Yeah, and they went over there. How about you just tackle each other?
You use this one then. Have it turn on this one.
Mom, is this YouTube?
Yeah.
Hi. Wait, I showed my legs.
We should shoot Dad when he comes. Look, you go like this. Look, right here. And then to do it again, you have to push his back. Ay, I'm falling.
He's gonna might come when I'm in the bathroom.
I know, we got it.
So we're gonna shoot my dad, and my mom's gonna shoot his body, and I'm gonna shoot his window. Bye.
She thinks he's not gonna see her gun. Our other lookout made it back. It's been about 30 minutes and this fool has not come home. We're going inside and we're gonna try to shoot him from inside the house. Suspect has arrived. Stay over here, sis. Shoot him, shoot him.
Ah, you missed me. Oh.
Wait.
Shoot me.
What are you doing? You. Help me stuck.
Did we get you?
No.
Dude, we literally were waiting outside for you for 30 minutes.